Hello everyone. In this episode, we will learn how to add more than two data levels for a column chart in Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first. So this is the data table. You can see the region, country, customer, business segment, category, model, color, sales date, list price, unit price, and order quantity. So first thing I'll do, I'll create three measures based on order quantity column. So first will be the total order quantity, the max order quantity, and the average order quantity. So let me go back to the report page and we'll create a first measure here. Right click and I'll say new measure. And here I will say total, total order QTY. So I'll use a sum function, sum, and table name is a sales and column name is order quantity, sum of order quantity. So this is the first measure. Now I'll create a second measure. Second measure is average, average order quantity, average table name and column name, order quantity. So this is for average order quantity. So the last measure I will create is a max order quantity. So I will use a max order quantity. For this I will use a max function, dax max function, table name and column name, order quantity. So I'm done with the three measures. Now what I'm going to do, I will add a column chart from the Power BI visual gallery. And on X axis, I will add a country. And on Y axis, I will add a total order quantity. So as you can see, the country wise order quantity on Y axis, you can see also total order quantity. Now let me enable a data level. So I'll enable a data level and I'll just do the sum formatting because the font size is very small. So I will increase the font size to up to 12 or 13. 12 is more than sufficient. I'll make it bold. Okay. So as you can see 133K, 42K and so on. Now I'm going to add a two more measure here. That will be the average order quantity and the max order quantity. In same the data level option, in the same data level option, if you will come down here, you will see the detail section. Just enable the detail section and expand this. You will see you can add another data label. So let me add a average order quantity. So as you can see the average order quantity is added. So let me make it also 12 and make it bold and I'll make some different color. So I'll make this color and I will say display unit none and decimal place 2. Okay. So now you can see the average order quantity 3.65. Now if I want to add another measure, that will be the max order quantity. If I'll try to add it here, max order quantity, it will replace the existing measure, that is the average order quantity. Okay. So but I want both the max order quantity and the average order quantity. To do this, I will write a one new measure and I will say here average, AVG and max. And what I am going to do, the measure which I have created, I will call that measure, that is average order quantity, and this ampersand is used for joining, and I will join, this is my separator actually, backslash is the separator, and I'll give space. Okay, now I will again say ampersand to join another measure, that will be the max order quantity. So in this what I have done, so I just added the average order quantity, join with the backslash, and again join with the max order quantity measure. Okay, now I'll accept this one, and here in the detail section, instead of order quantity or average quantity, I will add this one, average as max, just now we have created. So as you can see here, like this average and the max order quantity is added. Here you can see the separator in between, but for the average there is so many decimal places. So we will eliminate, only will keep the two decimal places. So I'll say format, and in the format I will say colon double quote hash hash dot 00 and bracket close, hit the enter button to accept that. Now you can see now you can see here 3.65 is a average order quantity and 32 is a max order quantity for Canada and for other country as well. Now if this is the confusing, like the some people will not realize which is the average quantity and which is the max order quantity, so we will add the level. So what we are going to do here, we'll say double quote, and we will say average text AVG colon space and join with ampersand, and even if you want you can remove the decimal place also for average. And for the max one also I'll do the same thing. I'll say max colon double quote space double quote, and now I'll say I'll hit the enter button. Now you can clearly see here the average is a 4, the round off actually, and the max is a 32. You can also keep the decimal places also. So I just round off actually. So let me make it the decimal, because everywhere I can see the 4. So because of the round off, so let me here I will say decimal place. So now you can see here average with the 0.65 and max is a 32 and so on. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.